Hey, are you looking for improving creativity, out of the box thinking, problem solving techniques for yourself or for your loved one? If yes, you are in the right place. My name is Jay Gilani. I am an artist and art educator. My passion for art started with drawing portraits using pencils and charcoals. Over the years, I learned and adapted many different techniques from a different master artists. I enjoyed it, but then quickly moved into new unknown directions, or in other words, exploring drawing with imagination. Drawing with imagination is a powerful tool, and it is given to all of us. I often tell my students that each of us has an artist inside us. But sometimes our inside artist is in a sleeping mode. We need to wake him up. Knock, knock, knock. That's what I did. I started listening my mind and sketching with the flow of thinking, one stroke at a time. I stopped caring about bringing perfections. What are people going to say? If they like it or not? Drawing with imaginations has unlocked my creativity and gave me the ability to depict ideas and concepts excitingly. Being an art educator, this is my responsibility to share these techniques. In this drawing tutorial series, I will share quick and easy drawing exercises. These exercises will improve your creativity and help you to think out of the box. Subscribe my channel today to get access to the most recent free art tutorials. Thank you for watching it.